Hello everyone, and today I'm doing another video. And today we are doing Ratchet and Clank. Haven't got a clue what part. So yes, as you can see I've got two profiles here. Two are different because I just started and then the recording failed. So I'm doing it again. As you can see, this one started in Mactar Nubla. This one is in Planet Barlow. Not Gary Barlow, Planet Barlow. So yeah, we're going to go to Planet Barlow. We have a mission to do. We basically got to find the Desert Riders, I think what it's called. The Desert Riders. We've got to find them on Planet Barlow. So yeah. So let's get chopping. I've had a look at the new weapons on this planet. Pretty awesome. Pulse rifle, a seeker gun, and a mini turret club. I don't want to get this one because it sounds pretty awesome, but it's pretty expensive. 25,000 stuff. So yeah, let's go. This place, I don't know how you get up there, unless that's just an ending point, I don't know. I'm confused. I haven't got a clue where to go. Oh, through here. Oops, I don't think I was meant to kill him. I think you do. Oh, they're cute little puppies. Okay, that's through it. Die, puppy. Ow. That is what you call skills. How do you feel? Pew! Pew! How do you kill this dude? Oh. I thought I'd never kill him. Oh, that was close. If I couldn't kill him, that would be pretty scary. Oh, but no! So let's go for it. Oh look, some more dudes. Boom! I kill you. I smash you up. No, I blow you up even. The same thing, I guess. And then blow this up. Smash. These things are just like the robot things, I guess. Pew! Ow! Stop lasering me! Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, a mini nuke.
Ooh. Double tap triangle to switch between recently used items.
Really nice if I had ammo, but sometimes you don't get what you have. I'm afraid. If that made sense. Woo-hoo. So yeah, just up here. I think this is only one mission, so it's pretty good. I like having just one mission, and then we'll probably end it and stuff. Oh no, 3 missions. Okay. At first it said 1 mission. Mini nuke. Awesome. I like you. I really like you. You're nice. You're very blowy uppy. I like blowy uppy. Lol. Blow up. Oh, 2 in 1. Ah. You buy one and you kill one free. Get it? No. Ah, that failed. So yeah, we're just killing dudes and stuff. And use a chopper. I want to use this blitz gun. Test it out. Boom. Boom. Ooh, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a total boss. I'm gonna kill you. I kill you too. I kill you. I kill all of you. Ha ha ha. I'm total boss. Total boss. I smash all you. Smash. Smash, 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 smash. Let's go from here. Continue point. Right, okay. That's nice, I guess. Ooh. I guess I could shoot. Whoa. They're confused. I chop you. I go choppy. Chop, 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 chop. Where'd they go? Oh, okay, I'm just gonna YOLO it. Whap! YOLO. YOLO. Brah, brah, brah. Right, okay, that made sense. Kinda. Where did I come from? I think I came from up there, I don't know. Ow! Okay, looks like I can't go through there. What's in it? Okay, I haven't been through there before. Because everything would be smashed. Smash! 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 So yeah, I've learned some new controls that if you face this way and you click L1 and do stuff. Boom! Boom! Oh! Woo! I'm total pro! Don't diss, bruh. Don't diss. Got a load of ammo. Got a load of more ammo. Oh, I need more ammo. Okay, maybe not. Which way should I go? I'm gonna go this way first. Oh, what's this? Oh no. I think I just entered a boss battle. That's not good. Boss battle. Okay, a lot of boss battles. Oh, that's a. Ow. It's not nice. Kill. Not nice kill. Oh, that was easy. I just had to mini nuke them all. I feel like this is COD. Nuke. Like zombies. Nuke. If you ever played normal COD. Zombies. Is it just me? Probably just me. Oops, I just wasted one. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, I hate when I do that. I accidentally get the square and circle mixed up.
Excuse me. I think I just blew another vacuum tube.
Should I have a look?
My word! You young people are so fresh these days. Oh, don't feel bad. I guess I'm just old-fashioned about that sort of thing. Did you know that I've been with Gadgetron since the beginning?
So you sell these gadgets?
Darling, they sell themselves.
Bomb glove, decoy, Tesla claw, walloper. On this one. Yes. Tesla claw. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I can't wait to test this out. It's going to be so awesome. It's going to be an awesome